this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. To do this, what you want to go and do is just click on plus in the top right of WhatsApp. Then from there, you're going to click on New Contact. And now here you want to go to the first section, type in 1 and then 800. And then you want to use this phone number, which stands for ChatGPT. So it's 242-8478. And you'll see this phone number is already in your contacts, at least for me. For you, it will say this phone number is on WhatsApp. Then just click on Done. And from there, you will then see ChatGPT. Now just click on the message icon. And now you can start chatting with it. And this is the actual ChatGPT. So for example, if I just say hi, it does take a little bit longer, but for example, now it says, hi, what's on your mind? And for example, you can also ask it to create an image. And now for me it's in Dutch, but right now it's creating an image of a Spanish beach, since that's what I asked. So now as you can see, it has sent me this picture right here of a Spanish beach, which is what I asked it to do. And you can just even use it for creating images, as well as for normal chatting, and whatever else you can do with the normal ChatGPT. So now you know how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.